Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for sixth grade. Okay. Today we're gonna have a class. It is about pronunciation class. Okay, so you need to do some activities. You're gonna do two activities. One is repeat very slow. Practice your pronunciation. And second is write. I need you write this. You listen and you put pause and then copy on your notebook. Okay? Activity one, listen and repeat. Activity two, listen and copy on your notebook. Okay? Let me explain for you. Very slow. Primer ejercicio, escucha y pronuncia. Escucha y repite, pronuncia. Segundo ejercicio, va a escuchar y va a copiar todo lo que pronunció. Vamos a trabajar sobre una película que ya habíamos visto que se llama Coco. ¿Ok? All right. So this is the film. Esta es la película. This is the film. And we are going to listen and repeat very slow. Remember, activity one, listen and repeat. All right, so you're going to repeat here to 19 to 1942 if it wasn't for my family. So you listen and repeat to 1942 if it wasn't for my family. Listen and repeat. Repeat. Musicians shoot, but the process rather food. So you listen and repeat. Musicians shoot, but the process rather food. Okay? Listen and repeat. Okay. Food trafficking, you have food trafficking, you have to have tally to be in a talent show. What? What are you gonna do, Shine? So listen and repeat this part. What are you gonna do, Shine? So, Shine shoes. Oh, where are you going? Repeat. Gonna do shy shoes. Oh, where are you going? Repeat from here. Where are you going? I thought we were done. So listen and repeat. Let's repeat this phrase. Repeat. Gonna do shine shoes. Oh, where are you going? I thought we were done. So listen and repeat. Okay? Excellent. Let's continue. So repeat. I thought we were done. Grab it tight end. Notice that? And make it come true. So you listen and repeat. Going, I thought we were done. Grab it or grab it tight and make it come true. Okay, listen and repeat. Let's continue, okay? So listen and repeat. So listen. I know I'm not supposed to love music. So you listen and repeat. I know I'm not supposed to love music. Okay? Good. Like if he could play music, maybe. So you listen. Like if he could play music, maybe. So listen and repeat. Like if he could play music, maybe something I could do there. This part, I could to the music competition for Dia de Muertos. Okay, so listen and repeat. You want to be like your hero, you should sign up. Listen, you should sign up. Show me what you got, muchacho. Okay? So listen and repeat. From here, you should sign up. Show me what you got. Tricks, mariachi. What did he say to you? He was just showing me his guitar. Okay, so from here until here, tricks mariachi. What did he say to you? He was just showing me his guitar. You keep away from him. You come home. Listen, Crowlin, I found your son in Mariachi Plaza began. You see? So listen and copy this. First, listen and repeat. I found your son in Mariachi Plaza began. Tonight. What's tonight? Well, talent show, the other, Los Muertos. No one's going everywhere tonight. No one's going everywhere tonight. Tonight is about family. One's going everywhere tonight is about family. So their spirits can cross over. Cross over. That is very important. That is very important. I don't want you sneaking off to who knows where. Where are you going? I don't want. I don't want to see you end up like mama. End up like mama. Coco's pap never mentioned that man. That man. Because I care again. Vegan? Life gets me now. I play my guitar. So repeat. Life gets me now. I play my guitar. No guitar. No more hiding, daddy. I got a. I got. I got a decided it's time to join the simple workshop. Listen and repeat. Time to join the simple workshop. Washes just like your dear Victoria. And win tips like your Papa Julio.